Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa aking vlog. And kung baguhan pa lang kayo sa aking channel, my name is Jarlene. May dalawa kong anak na si Lily at saka si Matt. And ngayong araw pala na to ay mag-unbox tayo ng, I think bago to siya, Sony Digital Camera ZV-1M2. Ayan siya guys. So, bumili nga pala ako ng bago kasi nga guys, itong lumang camera na ginagamit ko ngayon ay papagamit ko kay Agnes. Dito si Agnes, come on. Patay, ato sa dito. Halika dito, Agnes. Dito si Agnes, guys. Ayan yung aking tagabantay ng aking mga Junakis. Siya tumutulong sa akin. And of course, soon ay mapopromote na yan siya. Mapopromote na. So, yan na nga yung gagamitin niya. Itong camera na to. Sony CV din to siya. But nakalimutan ko kung ano yung sugpon. So, i-unbox na natin para mabigay. Ma-turn over na natin sa kanya yung ating lumang camera.
Yeah!
Ito na ano nang ginagawa niya.
Date, June 2024 ata yan.
June 24 yung date. Kailan to? Kung kailan gin-release ata, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako expert sa mga ganitong ano. You know, expert lang ako sa pagkain. Kain is like, si Mati kumakain sa kabilang kanto. So, ito na nga. I-unbox na natin. First is meron siyang ano to? Tissue? Tissue, pang-wipe sa inyong mga mukha na kaskaroon. Excited na akong ma-turn over itong luma para magamit ko na itong bago. Ito na nga, maraming mga papers. Mamaya ko na siya i-check kung anong meron sa papers na ito. 64, meron siyang 64 gigabytes na card. Libre na. Hindi, kasama yun sa pagbayad, hindi yun libre. Include yun niya ba guys. And then, ito na nga yung kanyang kaloob-looban. Ayan na siya guys, yung kaloob-looban ng box na ito. So, binili nga pala ito ni Tata nung pumunta siya sa Manila Zoo. Sa Manila Zoo. So, ayan siya guys. Meron siyang, I think the same sa luma. Pwede siyang maganon. Wow! O, diba? Oh, the same sa luma, sa Sony ZV. Itong gamit ko. Meron din to siyang palubag-lubag. Ayan siya guys. Oh my goodness! Bumalik na naman yung ganito ko. Dati, meron din ako yung pinakauna talaga na camera. Yes, you can check.
I can take a photo of that.
Yes, of course. If you want to take a photo, you just need to. You want to take a selfie, you need to lubag-lubag the ulo of this one. And then, you can see yourself.
I can see myself also.
You can see yourself. You need to press like that.
Oh my God.
Wow! Yes, of course you can. You did like that. It's like a selfie, yeah? Okay, let's take a selfie now. Let's take a selfie. Okay, asan na si Lily? Ma-selfie kita. Dali. Pero malaki-laki siya kaysa sa luma. Don't touch that! Malaki-laki siya kaysa sa luma. Ayan, oh. Malaki-laki siya yung dito. Lumalabas yung lens. Sa ito, yung kay Agnes, hindi siya lumalabas. Mas gusto ko yan siya. Pero I don't know anong bago dito sa bagong henerasyon na ano na to. Okay, mag-hairdo na kayo dyan kasi maya-maya ay aalis tayo.
This camera is better because of zoom, yes?
It's working now?
We're testing new camera.
Hello, I'm very brown now.
Yes, you are morena.
Brown ako. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa aming channel. Kung baguhan pa lang kayo sa aming channel, this is me, Jarlene, Lily, and Agnes. Ay, nandito pala si Agnes. So, ngayong araw na to ay papunta nga pala tayo sa... Saan tayo papunta?
Robinson! Sa airport?
Papunta kami sa site muna. Tingnan namin yung pinapagawa nating bahay. Then after that, papunta tayo. Ay, ngayong araw na to ay may malaki tayong tae. After nating pumunta sa site kung saan tayo nagpapagawa ng bahay, pupunta tayo kay Jessa. Yes, susunduin namin mamaya sa Jessa, guys. Inimbita siya namin dito sa Hi, kuya. Inimbita namin siya dito sa amin. Kung saan kami nag-uupa. Paminahon nag-uupa.
Nangupahan.
Nangupahan.
Saan kami nangupahan?
Kung saan kami nangupahan. Pagpasensyaan nyo na yung aking Tagalog version. Kasi hindi ako... Okay lang yung Tagalog ko, guys. Kamu na lang sabot. Kay Bisaya pa ako. Ito na yung gamit ko, yung bagong camera. Yung luma is tinurn over ko na. Tinurn over. Hirap mag-vlog.
Snowboarding.
Tinurn over ko na kay Agnes. Oh. Come faster. Come faster ka dyan.
That is the faster one.
Ayan, malinis na yung ating car. Nakaligo na siya. Uy, hugaw na pod. Kakaligo lang kahapon. Ngayon, mahugaw na naman. Hello.
Now everyone thinking you arrived with the snacks.
No, it's 12. Ah, I don't have snack. Everyone thinking I don't buy snack. Supposed to be if I am here early with like their first break, I have the snack for them guys. But right now we just arrived to check the work. Maybe tomorrow I will arrive early. But I don't know because di ba pupunta tayo sa kay Jessa. I-check natin siya. But naunahan ako ni Tatang mag-vlog guys. Dito muna kayo. Okay, check natin yung kanilang mga bagong hi! Bagong gawa. Hello! Yung kanilang bagong gawa. Kasi last na pumunta kami dito is hapon na yun. And then ito na nga, nakabangag na sila ng malaking butas. Nakabangag ng malaking butas. Ayan, yung pang swimming pool. And then ito na nga yung ating land. Dito nila nilagay kung saan sila nagbangag. Hi guys! So, nandito kami sa Robinson at naglaroy-laroy nga kami ni Tata habang hinihintay namin sila ni Jessa, but hindi pa sila nag-update kung nasaan sila. And then ito na nga, kasi tapos na kami dito, kami sa Robinson, may hinahanap si Tata na laptop.
Chick boy.
No, laptop. At hindi niya
I
nahanap.
didn't find laptop. We go to next shop.
Yeah, we go to next shop. Dito namin iniwan sila ni Mati at saka ni Agnes. Ayan, oh, malaki yung nila. Mate! Hala na, unsa naman si Mate. Mate, ari na! Uigaw na! Larry. Suot na shoes! Suot na shoes! Asa ang shoes? Oh, we're going to invite the friend. What is that? Oh. No, dili na to Sige na. So, kakatapos lang naming mag-grocery doon, di ba? Ay, nag-grocery? Hindi kami nag-grocery. Kakatapos lang naming bumili ng ng kakailanganin namin. And bukas ay meron tayong lakad. And then, ito na nga, pupuntahan na natin sila ni Jessa sa port. Nandito sila sa Tampi. Doon sila dumunggo. And then, ito na nga sila, si Mate at saka si Lily tulog. Luoy kayo ilang kahimtang sa karon. Baka merong magbigay dyan ng
But if Matt's sleep,
yeah, we will open the back seat
and
and
I record you. Oh, my chick's going to the car.
my chicks. You know the husband of Jess already, and you can call her chicks.
Why? He's not a funny guy?
No, it's not. You don't know that person, and you can just my chicks going to the back. Yes.
Yes. I think he's. I don't know.
You
Because
don't even
it's
see the vlog of Jessa.
Some
just
days.
sometimes he's there dancing.
Yeah.
Dancing.
Dancing also?
Yeah.
I don't see him dancing.
Sometimes.
So you know Jessa, Dal?
Yeah, I know her.
So
She
you
laughed.
Yeah, she love and she's so comediante, right? She don't know Rich, but you know Jessa.
I know Jessa.
Yeah,
I watch her. Vlog.
Jessa is your idol?
Yung
Why you
reaction.
laughing like that? La Jessa, si Agnes.
She always, when she record the dance, she's like brain damage.
It's her asset, you know? It's just an asset. She all the time laugh and she want to make fun of the bashers.
Yeah.
And it's good idea, of course. Kanina pa pala sila naghihintay kasi nga na pupunta sana kami sa Sibulan pero hindi pala sila sa Sibulan. Dunggo na sa Tagalog.
Dadaong ang barko.
Sa Sibulan kami pumunta and then sa Tampi pala yung daungan ng kanilang barko na sinakyan. Kanang naghintay muna sila doon ng... How many minutes sila naghintay? 4 minutes. 3 minutes na lang. Aabot na tayo sa kanilang lokasyon. Nandito sila. Asa na nga ba sila? Asa na sila ni Jessa?
There.
Oh, there. Ayan na. Can you make a video?
Okay, I go. Guys, I don't record anything. I don't play the record.
Oh,
You don't. You give me camera, but I think it's playing. Oh.
Is that one?
Oh my God.
Take two.
Okay, take two.
Say hi.
Take two. Say hi.
Yeah. Si Awa is sleepy.
You open the car?
Ah.
Car seat?
Oh, it's not heavy.
What's this? What car is that?
Ford. Titanium. Everest.
Ah, it's Ford Everest.
A 7-seater.
Yeah. Yeah, we have an old car now. When we finish building the house, we're gonna buy the Ford Ranger car.
Huh?
Because
Yeah,
we need pickup because of farming for family.
Yeah,
So-
yes, but I need 7-seater, 3 kids
Yeah,
sometimes.
I will be inside.
Okay, up to
So
you.
Jessa and Liam will be here.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna...
Yeah. Good night, come on. Sorry, love.
Okay.
This is not SM.
Hi. You sleep too?
Nice.
Shy.
Shy
And he's very
sometimes.
slow on everything. Supported ka sa super
And I had...
Hello, ini Mama Tioy. Hello.
Thai street.
So, punta muna tayo sa restaurant. Nandito kami sa likuran.
Hi.
Bili na rin ang bag. Oh.
Wait.
Ayan. Diyan sila ni
Sleep?
I do WordPress if the client would ask for it, but I prefer you.
Oh, it's
It's
almost.
just what you're used to, you know. I got started with Joomla. I can do WordPress, I can do both, but I prefer Joomla.
It's easy for me because I learn, alone how to make. Never have some course or something. Push.
Yes. Kuya,
Come on.
me first. I'm gonna
So much.
Everyone sleepy?
Everyone is late.
It's there. Ah, proszę. Go.
Yes, kana Jay, kanang Jasmine si side. Oy, tulog si Liam. Tulog si Liam. Si Lily gumising na. Biyaan na si Mihaw. Sulod sa talig to.
Oh,
Tamag.
so cute. Oh. You've been swimming, I see you.
Yeah.
You've been swimming in the beach.
That's the best.
Oh, wow.
There's a lot of toys for you. You can go ahead. Tara sa
Wow. Where's your menu, yeah?
There up. You need to check up.
Ah, that's new. That's not a bad price.
Now my red curry. Red curry. Chicken curry? Yeah, chicken curry. Ah. Yeah, they have
Okay, chicken curry.
chicken curry,
Yes. And breaded pork chop.
breaded pork chop. Yes po.
What you
I think I have Coke Zero.
Coke Zero.
I talking about alcohol.
Then I have San Miguelite.
San Miguel.
Something like
Wow, Kuya Mati is playing. Gusto niya talagang mag-cook. Magluto-luto. Gusto niya magluto-luto. Ah, si Lily. Asan na yung boyfriend mo, si Liam? Asan na yun? So?
Yeah, that is marked as the best
3 days
farmer.
ago, I buy in Manila.
40,000.
Malitis na yung dalawa.
Comedy?
Hi.
Say hi to mama.
Sa amin.
Hi to mama.
Lily is here. Hindi siya kumakain, ay?
Gamay ra.
Ano yung food niyo?
Chicken inasal.
And then, meron akong fried chicken. Jessa is there. Liam and Axel.
Sugar.
Mati, is it good? Kuya.
He's
Kuya.
watching Liam. Focusing on Liam.
Ibang marites siya kay Liam. Bon appetit! Guys, kakatapos lang namin nag-breakfast kasi nga breakfast pa namin itong kinain namin kanina, no?
4 p.m.
Yeah, 4 p.m. na. Kasi nga, napaka busy namin. Gala kami ng gala. I mean, punta kami sa mga shops. Ewan ko na saan na sila ni Jessa. Where are they? Hintayin mo natin sila.
We make like that. About
So?
after 40 minutes, we go.
We go, yeah.
40 minutes?
How much, how long time it takes to drive there? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Okay, we go 10 to 5, yeah.
I like 6:50.
Yeah. We will be out by then.
Yeah.
See you.
The swimming pool is there. It's you can get the swim suit.
Swimming suit. Jake. So, nandito din sila ni Jessa. Nandun sila banda, oh. Sa second floor kasi nga wala nang vacant space doon sa ibaba. Sayang, doon lang sana, oh, malapit-lapit sa amin. So we can make the vlog. So, nasaan na sila? Where is Jessa?
Hello, friend.
Hello!
Hello.
Mati is looking for a friend.
Hi, guys. Show your monkey to them.
Ah, you been to Bohol?
Yes.
Ah.
Last May. With my Norwegian friend. Yeah,
Yes.
that's remind him of me leaving him.
How are you, Jake? You okay?
Yep, feeling better. Just need some ice in my head.
And drink some coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee makes life better.
Yes.
Okay.
And Friendly, this is my friend. That's my friend.
Yeah. Liam. His name is Liam.
Yeah.
What you don't see, you will hear. No problem.
Pero yan. Para monkey baby.